Before we have learned what is animation, gradients and types of layers. Okay. Today we are going to see remaining points in lesson number 5, animation and layers in Flash. Okay. Now we are going to see rotating with masking effect.
Follow the given steps to perform rotation with masking effect. Step 1. Open a new file by clicking on the File menu and selecting New option. Step 2. Import an image to the stage by selecting File, Import to Stage. Step 3. Fit the image by selecting the dimensions 550 by 440 in the Property Inspector. Step 4. Click the frame 50 and press F6 to convert it into keyframe. Step 5. Rename the image layer to Autumn and lock it. Step 6. Add one more layer by clicking the Insert Layer button and name it as Polygon Mask. Step 7. Select the Polygon Mask layer and draw a polygon using the Polygon tool at the center of the image with no stroke color. Step 8. Choose the selection tool and select the polygon convert to symbol using F8. Define graphics behavior and type the name polygon in the name box. Step 9. Insert a keyframe at frame 50 on the polygon mask layer. Step 10. Select the frame 1 on the polygon mask layer and select motion from the drop-down list of twin property in the Property Inspector. Step 11. Select the CW option in Rotate field. Step 12. Right-click the polygon mask layer between frame 1 and frame 50 and select the mask option. Step 13. Press Ctrl plus Enter to play the movie.
Now we are going to see methods of animation. In that, first, motion tween.
Animation refers to the drawings made and compiled in a manner to show movement. This is one of the basic animation techniques. Motion tween refers to any object that travels from one point to another and involves no change in the shape or size of the object over a period of time. The various steps to create motion tween animation are: Step 1. Open a new Flash file and draw the object on the stage. Step 2. Convert it into a symbol by choosing Modify, Convert to Symbol buttons on the Flash window or press F8. Step 3. A Convert to Symbol box appears. Click OK. Convert the object into a symbol. Now, create the first and the final stage of animation. The timeline contains a keyframe on frame 1. To create your animation, you need to insert a second keyframe further along the timeline. Click on frame 20 of the timeline. Select Insert Timeline Keyframe options. Make sure you have the keyframe at frame 20 selected. Move your object to another location on the stage. Select any frame between 2 to 19. Select Motion from the Twin pop-up menu in the Property Inspector. Select Control Test Movie to see the object moving gradually from one location to another on the stage. Select Control Play option to play the movie.
Shape tween.
This is similar to making one shape appear to change into another shape over time. By tweening shapes, you can create an effect similar to morphing to change into another shape over time. The various steps to create shape tween animation are: Step 1. Open a new Flash file, select the first frame and draw the object to be animated on the stage. Step 2. select frame 20 and press F6 to insert a new keyframe. Step 3. Still keeping playhead on frame 20, delete the object present in your working area. Now draw a different object. Step 4. Select any frame between 2 to 19. Step 5. Select shape from the twin pop-up menu in the property inspector. Now your layer will look something like the one shown alongside. Step 6. Now press the keys Ctrl plus Enter together to view your shape twin.
Motion guide.
Motion guide is nothing but moving your symbol in a predefined path such as a curve or circle and thus creating an animation effect. The various steps to create motion guide in Flash are: Step 1. Create a graphic symbol or drag a pre-existing graphic symbol from library onto the stage. Name the layer as graphic. You can also take a picture from MS Word, clip art and paste it in Flash. Step 2. Right click on the graphic label and select Add Motion Guide from the pop-up window. Step 3. A new layer will appear on the top of the graphic layer with the label Guide graphic along with the guide icon. Step 4. Draw the path for your symbol in this new layer using pencil or line tool. Step 5. Right click on the object and click on Break Apart to define the path. Step 6. Select the frame 50 of guide layer and press F5 to insert frames. Step 7. Now go to frame 1 of graphic layer and drag your symbol to one end of the path. While dragging, you will see a bubble on the symbol. That bubble should go right below the path. Step 8. Now go to frame 50 of graphic layer and press F6 to insert a new keyframe. Step 9. Then drag your symbol to other end of the path. Again the bubble should go right below the path. Step 10. Select any frame between 1 to 50 of your graphic layer. Step 11. Right click and select Create Motion Twin from the pop-up menu. Step 12. Press the keys Ctrl plus Enter together to view your work. Save your work by pressing Ctrl plus S keys and taste the movie by pressing the keys Ctrl plus Enter.
Now we are going to see tint twinning.
Tint twinning is used to change the color of an object. Step 1. Select Insert New Symbol to create a symbol. Step 2. Type name book for the symbol in the name field in the Create New Symbol dialog box. Step 3. Select graphic option in behavior and click OK. Step 4. Select the text tool in the tool panel. Select text font Comic Sans MS to set the font type. Choose text size 48 from the menu to set the font size big. Select text style bold to make the text bold. Step 5. Type the text Viva on the stage. Step 6. Select Edit Symbols to change the properties of the text. Graphic symbol is automatically saved in library. Step 7. Select the frame 40 in the timeline and press F5. Step 8. Insert keyframes at frame 10 and frame 40. Position the pointer on frame 10 by pressing F6. Step 9. Repeat this step on frame 30. Step 10. Select frame 1 and click on the text to add tint effect. Step 11. Select tint color from the color option list in the property inspector. Set the colors to red 255, green 0 and blue 0. Step 12. Add tint twinning to keyframe 10 and set the colors R0, G 255 and B0. Step 13. Add tint twinning to keyframe 40 and set the colors. Step 14. Right click on the timeline at any place between frame 1 and frame 10 and select Create Motion Twin option from the drop down menu. Step 15. Right click on the timeline at any place between frame 10 and frame 40 and choose Create Motion Twin from the drop down menu. Step 16. Click on Control Text Movie to view the tint twinning effect on the text.
Today we have seen methods in animation and tint twinning. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.